Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the next lecture of 12th class NCERT Mathematics. In this video lecture, we will discuss question number 30, as you see, of exercise 5.1. Before that, we discussed already 1 to 29 question. You can see from my playlist. In all those questions, we observe that common thing that content definition is applied and we are solving different types of questions. Okay. So now we have another type of question in which we need to find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x, like that with they define if x less than equal to 2, that is left side of 2 they define as 5, in between 2 and 10 they define as ax plus b, and right side of 10 including 10 is defined as 21. They said that find the values of a and b for which the given function is continuous. The meaning of continuity is mean in the domain which you define here na, in that particular domain the given function is continuous. So we need to find the values of a and b for which it is continuous. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started the solution of the question. So solution is, first of all, observe the domain of this function. So we can observe that here left side of 2 function is defined, at 2 function is defined, and in between 2 and 10 the function is defined. Wait, I'll take here. Suppose here you have a 10. Okay, so in between 2 and 10 the function is defined, and after 10 function is also defined. It means that here also defined, at 10 also defined, we have in between 2 and 10 the defined, before 2 defined, at 2 defined. So it means that the function domain of this function is, I can write here, domain of f is complete R. Okay, so now as given f is continuous on R, it implies that f is continuous at 2 and 10 also. Okay, so if it is continuous at 2 and 10 also, then we will proceed by the LHL, RHL and f of 2, LHL, RHL, f of 10. Okay, we will combine, we will equate them, and then we will find the relation between a and b. Actually, see here we have a 2 unknowns, so we require 2 equations in a and b actually. Okay, so start. Else at equal to 2, the first part we will discuss. At x equal to 2 the function is continuous, so LHL we need to find. By the LHL, RHL equal to f of 2, because the function is continuous at 2 they are saying. Understood? So what is your LHL? LHL is limit x tends to 2 negative f of x, limit h tends to 0 f of 2 minus h, and here limit h tends to 0. What is f of 2 minus h? See, 2 minus h, here h is a positive quantity, as I told in my previous videos also. H is an infinitesimally small quantity, infinitesimally small positive quantity, so minus h become the less than 0 or not. So the 2 minus h will be less than 2 or not. Understood? As so here it means it is the left side of the 2. It means that complete value is, exact value is 5. Okay, because by the first piece we can find its value. So here 5 will come. Your LHL is 5. I hope you understood that how we can find this value. Okay, I'll put it in box. Okay, this is your first equation. Now the second one is your RHL. RHL at, wait, RHL at 2. So RHL at 2, how we can find? RHL limit x tends to 2 positive, f of x, limit h tends to 0, f of 2 plus h we have. So limit h tends to 0. What is f of 2 plus h? F of 2 plus h lies in our set, f of 2 plus h value we can find by the second piece. Okay, so how we can find? Here your a, this is your 2 plus h you have, and here you have plus b is there. Okay, because here you can observe h is a positive quantity. Okay, and if you add to both sides, then 2 plus h is greater than 2, and this is your 2, so 2 plus h will be here, and you already know how to find. Okay, so here you have limit h tends to 0. Now 2a plus ah plus b you have here. Okay, if you apply limit, what will get? 2a plus b we get. This is your RHL. This is your RHL. Okay, now this is your equation second. Now the function value at 2 we have, the function value at 2, because this equation you can observe star equation. Okay, f of 2, what we have? F of 2 is, we can find by the first piece, that is 5. Okay, now we will combine all these three equations. You can observe here that we can combine these three equations from first, second and third equation. What we have? We get 2a plus b equals to 5. This is your fourth equation. Okay, okay, now you can observe that we will find the function value, LHL RHL, because we need another equation also in a and b, because two unknowns are there, so we require two equations to solve, to find the values of a and b. So by the 10 we can go. Now we will discuss how. The second part we have here. What is the second part? The function is continuous at 10 also. So LHL we need to discuss first of all. LHL equal to RHL at x equal to 10 we are discussing. F of 10 we have. Okay, so what is your LHL? Your LHL is limit x tends to 10 negative, f of x, limit h tends to 0, f of 10 minus h, limit h tends to 0. What is 10 minus h? 10 minus h, again you can observe that it is present on the left side of 10. Suppose this is 10 here, so 10 minus h will be that side, that is left side of the 10. Okay, so we can find the value by the second piece again. So here you have a 10 minus h plus b you have here. Now you can observe limit h tends to 0. What we have? 10a minus ah plus b you have here. Okay, and if you apply limit, what we get? 10a plus b we will get. This is your LHL. Okay, this is our fifth equation. Now we can move by the, here we can find our, wait, I'll do one thing. Here we can find easily. Okay, now listen. So here our RHL. RHL is, what is your RHL? RHL is limit x tends to 10 positive f of x, and here limit h tends to 0 f of 10 plus h you have. Okay, and here limit h tends to 0 f of 10 plus h. F of 10 plus h will lie right side of the 10, so its value is exactly 21. So 21 is your RHL. Okay, now 21 is your RHL. Yeah, this is your sixth equation. Okay, now function value at 10, what we have, the function value at 10 is, we can find by the, again, the third piece. Okay, so here you can observe, this is the equation we have, seventh one. Okay, now as the function is continuous at x equal to 10, so this equation you can remember, this is your star 1. Okay, this is your star 2 you have. Okay, so here LHL, that means from equation 5th, 6th and 7th, what we have, we have tan of a plus b equals to 21. Wait, I will write below. Tan of tan a plus b equals to 21. Okay, yeah, this is our new equation. We can assume this equation as fifth equation. Okay, this is our fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth equation. Now what we have, 2a plus b and tan a plus b equal 21. So here we can solve from equation 4th and 8th. What we have, equation 4th and 8th. This is our 4th equation and this is our 8th equation. We can solve them easily. So here we have 2a plus b equals to, wait, 2a plus b equals to 5, and here we have tan a, or we can write like that also because it is more simplified. Tan a plus b equals to 21 and 2a plus b equals to 5. Subtraction, that is 8a plus 0 minus minus minus. 21 minus 5 is 16 you have, you will get. Okay, so if we get 16, so 8a equals to 16 we have. What is a value? A value will be 2 we get from here. Okay, now if we get a value, we can put in any equation. We'll put in 2a, that is, we have not 2a plus 5 equal to, sorry, 2a plus b equals to 5 we have. So 2 into 2 plus b equals to 5 we have. Okay, 5. What is b value from here? 5 minus 4, b should be 1. Okay, so required values, for a and b, required values of a and b, for which f is continuous, we have a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. Okay, a equal to 2 and b equal to the 1. So this is our answer. I hope you understood this question. Okay, simply actually the main criteria is, I will recap this question what we did in this one. Here you can observe that find the values of a and b such that the function defined as is continuous. Okay, we need to find for what values of a for which the values of a for a and b for which the function is continuous. So to find the values of two unknown, we require at least two equations or not. We require two equations. Exactly by the two equations, if we have, then we can easily solve. If we have two equations in two unknown, then we can easily find their values. So we require actually two equations for a and b. So how we can get those two equations? By the, as function is continuous on complete R, as they said that function is continuous. So function continuous means function is continuous on complete domain. Okay, and the what is domain of this function is complete R. So the function is continuous on complete R. If the function is continuous on complete R, it is also continuous at 2, it is also continuous at 10. So we can use, and they said that before 2, they define the value 5, at 2 also 5, in between 2 and 10, ax plus b, and after 10 and equal to 10, 21. So we can easily use the LHL, RHL and f of 2, LHL, RHL and f of 10 as in first and second, you can see in case. And hence we get two equations by fourth and the equation, eighth equation, you can see here. This is your eighth equation, this is your fourth equation, and we can solve easily. So I hope you understand this question. If you still you have any query, then you can ask me in comments. Okay.